In this video, we will look at ways to do specific searches inside of Jaysearch. I have a very simple search term here, superheroes, and Jaysearch has found more than 5,000 entries which have that word somewhere in their title or description. That's a lot of stuff. It's too much for Jaysearch to display on one page, so it has taken the 10 best results and displayed them here. But these results aren't very good. They're mostly entries which have the title superheroes, and we're definitely not seeing the best books, movies, and journal articles on this topic. To get the best results, we will have to narrow our search. There are two basic ways we can do this: by adding more words to our search, or by using the options on the left-hand side of the screen here. Doing a search for 2 or more words will mostly return entries that have both words. For example, I can add the word philosophy and find works which analyze superheroes from a philosophical perspective. Even this very specific search returned 78 results. I can add the word African American to look at entries that analyze African American superheroes specifically. You will notice that this search returned a result here which does not have the word superheroes in the title at all. So why are we seeing this result? If we click on it, we'll see that Jaysearch is searching more than just the title and author for each entry. Every entry contains a list of subject terms, which tell researchers what the entry is about. If the entry is for a book, it will also usually contain the entire book's table of contents. In this case, the word superheroes appears in this book's table of contents several times. This would be an excellent book if I was writing a research paper on African American superheroes. Because Jaysearch searches all of this information by default, it usually pays to include many words and do very specific searches. Let's go back to a basic search for superheroes and look at another way to narrow these 5,000 results. You'll notice on the left-hand side of the screen there are many options for refining our results. Clicking on one of these options will tell Jaysearch to only return results within that option. The list of subjects down here provides a good example. I might only care about the portrayal of superheroes in comic books, not in movies or on television. When I click comic books, I now only see entries that are on the subject of comic books and contain the word superheroes somewhere in their description. I can further refine my results by clicking peer-reviewed journals up here at the top. Now I'm only seeing results which are peer-reviewed journals about comic books, which contain the word superheroes, and I've gone from 5,000 results to 23. You will notice the options we've clicked on to refine our results are displayed here in the middle of the page. Please remember that this search might have missed some very good articles. For example, this search only finds articles which contain the single word superheroes, and not the 2 words superheroes. Most search engines will treat these as totally different concepts. We could try a search for superheroes. Once again, limit to the subject of comic books and the format of peer-reviewed journal articles, and you will hopefully see that our results look very different. To be more thorough, we might have to do an advanced search, which we can do over here. Using the advanced search option, I can tell Jaysearch that I am interested in superheroes or superheroes, that I want to find only books, not journal articles or movies, and that I want, let's say, books published in the last 10 years. Now I have a very narrow search, and I have pretty good results. I'm well on my way to writing a good research paper.